Sabaw.
Okay. Mmm. Sarap.
That's so good.
So good. Thank you. Wow, very good talaga. Magluto tayo ng tinolang salmon. Salmon. That's how they pronounce here. Salmon. Salmon. Hey,
Okay. Next.
Next,
Chicken.
it's garlic.
Garlic. And potato.
This is ginger.
Ginger.
Luya.
Ginger. Onion.
Onion. You say sibuyas.
Sibuyas.
In Hebrew,
Ginger. Ginger.
garlic.
Garlic.
Bawang.
Bawang. This is bawang. That's why it's garlic.
I forgot. Aho.
Aho.
Uy, I remember every day. Uy. Oh, expert. Pwede naman check.
Mommy, it's so very
Check
rapid.
lang muna.
Mommy, it's so very rapid. So the garlic.
It's so rapido. Oh, di ba? Speaking Spanish yan. It's rapido.
Yeah.
Rapido is...
Okay.
Can you get the salmon, please?
Okay. Take it.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Mommy, Grandma.
Mommy, Grandma.
Sorry.
I love you.
I love you.
Ay, ka-sweet ng anak ko talaga.
Okay. This sword.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
sorry. Oops.
Oh, it's a marchita. Okay.
Oops. Be careful. Can you sing?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Galing!
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y I Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time to my G-Ramen.
How about the apatapate?
Don't join you when you feel it. Don't you take your baby down. Today is such a night to crazy. Oh, yeah. That
Galing talaga! I love you. Are you excited to eat sabaw?
Yes.
You like sabaw, right?
Dirty. Watch you.
Dirty daw. Dirty ba?
Dirty. Watch it. Stop pollo.
This is not pollo. This is fish. Salmon. Can you read this?
Salmon.
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 Is salmon.
Salmon.
Salmon. Di nyo kaya ang salmon.
Wait.
Yan. Painitin mo natin.
Okay.
Let's wait. What is this?
Butter.
Butter.
Like butter.
You say butter.
Butter.
British tayo ngayon, British.
Okay.
You say not.
I know it.
Not.
I know it.
Ay, ginoo.
She has that pencil.
Wait. Don't touch this, okay? This is how you're gonna burn your finger.
Okay. There's no pencil.
Aray.
Okay.
Okay, so tayo na maliit.
Oh, a cat.
It cut. Can you put it there? Don't put your finger. Like that. Thank you. Don't touch. Melting now? Okay.
Oh
Now
no.
it's melting. We can put the ginger now. Right?
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see the ginger.
Mayroon akong assistant.
I want a lot.
No, later, later. Hey, don't watch that.
And listen, you're cooking.
I will put the chair there. You listen to mommy. Capiche? Right. Now we put this
And
ginger palabo. Ginger palabo? Now the sibuyas. Onion.
oil.
Sibuyas
Mommy, I need to put more.
is more.
Okay.
Okay.
Wash time.
Right. Ilagay natin. Hiwain natin ito. Hiwain.
Mommy.
Yes.
They're spinning.
You're spinning. What?
They're spinning the ball.
What's ball?
They're spinning the ball. Look,
The smoke. Lagay na natin mga kaibigan. Kaibigan! Ano natin? Ito ng...
I want to try.
Okay.
They
What is this?
master comment.
Pepper.
Pepper. Wow, many ginger.
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah, Mom.
The garlic powder.
Holy pepper.
Wait. Garlic
Yeah.
powder. That's enough.
Okay. So, let's go. I want to try.
Okay.
Oh, this summer deal.
Don't touch this. Now we add water. Water. Like that. And then, that's
Hi.
it. Halo na. Lagyan natin ng salt. Salt. Letter Z.
Ay,
Lagyan natin itong sakong. It's spinach.
it's spinach.
Hindi ko alam kung ano sa Tagalog to. Dahon sa Tagalog. Sa Spanish ay espinaca. They call espinaca. You talk to the viewers. Hello guys.
Hello guys, today is sabaw.
Sabaw na naman. So, ayan na siya. That's enough. Oh, the sailor man. Poop, poop.
What?
Do.
Re,
Mi. So.
la,
Pi.
ti, do. We go back.
More. Can you put this in basura, please? Wait lang. Ano ba yung basura? Hindi na.
You wanna?
Bait yan. Masunurin pa. Ayan na, okay na siya. Okay na din yung lasa. Takpan natin. And then toast. You tell that we're going to eat.
We're going to eat.
What are you gonna eat?
We eat sabaw.
What's up?
Sabaw.
Okay. Mmm. Sarap.
That's so good.
So good. Thank you. Wow, very good talaga. Come here. Ay, galing talaga. Excuse me? Wow. Ay,
What's a real empty? We need full hour.
Cook, Mama. You say thank you.
Thank you.
You say bye-bye na. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye, Rocco.
Bye-bye.